conversaciones sociales, es lo que promueve.
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and it's Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got another signal booming in at 7.305 here in Clearwater, Florida at 7:33 a.m. And according to the database, could be one of these. It would sound like it was Spanish. The one that's in Spanish right now is Radio Vatican. Radio Vatican. That sounds like a station in Europe, maybe. I may be wrong. I'm always wrong. But this is how I get some help. I go to, and it's 7.305. I go to the internet. I go to short-wave.info webpage, and I select, I'm just going to do it the simple way. Any station broadcasting in Spanish right now. Go. And it's going to list all the stations broadcasting right now in Spanish. So I come down here, and I could, put in the exact frequency and stuff like that. No, I'm lazy. I do it the other way. So then I come down here to 7.305. There it is. Vatican Radio. And should be a strong signal to my location. Oh, and it's located in the United States. Greenville, Texas. And if you click on the flag, it shows you, eventually, someday. Okay, come on, computer. There it is. We can get this out of the way. And we'll zoom out. Oh, get all this junk out of the way. Good grief. There we go. Zoom out. And it was right. I lost it now, but it was right in here, which actually looks like North Carolina. So the transmitter might be in North Carolina instead of Tennessee, but it's in the United States, and it's not that far from me, probably indicating why it's so strong to me. So that's how I get a little help from the internet, specifically from this website here. This guy that has this web page does a fantastic job. He's always improving it. I've made several suggestions within a day. He's added, like for instance, with my poor eyesight, the way he had the stations that you should receive highlighted, he had red lettering and kind of dark orange maybe background, and it was just wasn't enough contrast. So he lightened it up, and now it's much easier for me to read it. You can go here and click on this star or diamond next to remarks, and it will sort them two ways. Let me go back to the top. Oops, back to the top of this. And then I'll sort them going down in strength at my locations. So these are all the stations right now that I should be able to receive because they're very strong. Like, I got Radio Martini, I got that. I got Radio Habana. And I could try some of these other ones. And as you know, a lot of these stations, they change their schedule, so this might not be 100% accurate. Let's just try one. Let's try Radio Habana at 9535. Let's try that. Okay, we go to 9535. And we'll unmute it. Nope, not there. Not there. Let's see, there is signal right here. Oh, I can hear them. Very weak. Something's in there, but it's very weak. Let's try this one. Okay, I'm off frequency.
El reporte de Archivo Cuba
Okay.
señala que los números reales de muerte o la causa de muerte.
Now this down here says it's Radio Martini most likely. Or it could be, let's see, Spanish. Yeah. So let's go back and look up 9850. 9850. We'll sort by, oh, is it 9805? Yeah, what a dummy. That's it, right there. Right at the top of the list. Says it's super strong to my location. The transmitter is located right here. Well, that's the same place. I don't believe that, because it does say Voice of America here. Let's go back. Maybe a boo-boo here. Yeah, this is Greenville. That's the second one. I guess it was Radio Martini the last one I looked at. It says Greenville. But maybe that's not Greenville, Texas. Can I click on that? Show me the map. Yeah, no. It searches for that particular program. Okay. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong here that I'm getting. Let's try a different station. Okay, let's go back here, and then I'll wrap this up. And let's pick. I'm just going to pick somewhere. Not Okeechobee. Let's pick that one. So that's right there. That's in Florida. See if it shows. Yeah, shows the Florida map. Okay. So it's working. Alrighty. So turn on your radios and start listening to shortwave before this little peak on shortwave goes away. If you enjoyed my show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.